Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2023 230 Solaris by Premier Boats. Go ahead and start on the outside. We have the black with the champagne accent and the lava hammered rails right here. Besides that, we chose the black canvas for the bimini top. The rear top is a powered bimini, so with just the push of a button, it goes up or down. Front is manual, but we'll show you how to use that. Sarah, if you want to cruise to the front real quick, I want to show you. It's going to be hard to see on the videos, but this is what makes a Premier right here, besides the quality of the materials and fit and finish. It's the tubes. If you look down the center of the tubes, look at any other pontoon boat or tri-tune boat and see if you see anything that looks like that. You're not going to. This is a pontoon built for comfort, performance, and everything in between. So that's really what makes a Premier on the water. You got to come out and test drive it.